Mouth is not for breathing. Mouth is for singing, talking, eating, drinking. Nose and nose alone is for breathing.
I'm sure you've heard this 1,000 times by now, but nasal breathing is way better than mouth breathing. You get 10 to 20% more oxygen, and your nose filters the bacteria and germs out of the air. Not to mention, mouth breathing is a posture issue. It can literally change the shape of your face. It's pretty easy to remember to breathe through your nose during the daytime, but when you're sleeping, a lot of people use mouth tape. Just put a piece of tape over your mouth at night so you're forced to breathe out of your nose. Obviously, don't use this if you have any kind of sinus issues. Make sure you can breathe through your nose fine. I like to use king tape because it's hypoallergenic, so it's not going to make you break out or anything like that, and it's super cheap. If you want to stop mouth breathing in 2025, click the link down below to get these while they're on sale.